Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and search for items on TikTok Shop. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now there are two ways on how you could go ahead and do this, but let's jump straight into it. First things first, you have to make sure that you have the latest version of TikTok installed to your device in order to ensure that you have the shop featured. Now let's just go ahead and open up our TikTok application right here, and inside you will then be able to see their user interface right here. Now for the first method on how you could go ahead and search items on TikTok is by directly searching on the search icon right here. For example, I'm just gonna go ahead and search t-shirt, and you're gonna go ahead and see in the subheadings you have your top, videos, user sounds, and finally we have our shop. Just go ahead and click on shop, and it will take us to the search results right here, which is t-shirt. Now the second way on how you could go ahead and search item is by clicking on the shop icon right through the menu right here. As you could go ahead and see, we have our home, our shop, the plus icon, and we have the inbox, and lastly we have our profile. Of course, just go ahead and click on the shop icon, and then you will be taken right through the home store of TikTok. Just go ahead and search something right here. For example, I'm just gonna go ahead and search skincare, and then you will be able to search items on here on TikTok. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.